Pierre, you want to come out here?
Alright, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jay Smooth back at it, bring you another video. I promised y'all I'll bring a part 2 of the previous video, rate me 1 through 10 on the new Monkey app. And I said if I get to 50 likes, I'll bring in a special guest. So look, we got to 50 likes, and I'm about to show you who we bringing in. Alright, special guest right here, my boy Steve. Say what's up, Steve.
What's up, YouTube?
Alright, so now we about to do the rate me 1 through 10 Monkey app challenge. And this time we about to do it we're gonna still do the rate me 1 through 10, but we're gonna put it like we're taking an average of all the girls we asked, and whoever has the highest average win, and whoever has the lowest average faces punishment at the end of the video. So let's get into it. Alright, so on to the first person. We about to get this started. We got the little notebook, Jay Smooth and Steve, to keep track of who's gonna face punishment at the end of the video. So on to the first girl. Where's she from? Her name Nisha. Starting off with a skip, already on the bad start. While we waiting on the girl. So if y'all haven't already checked out the previous video, make sure y'all go check that one out. We had another rate me 1 through 10. I had a couple of 10s, you know, something slight, but you know. On to the next one. Alright, what's up? Hey, where you from? Hey, ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. Alright, so right now, I'm making a YouTube video with my homeboy called Rate Me 1 through 10. And we taking an average of all the girls we asked. And whoever has the lowest average faces punishment at the end of the day. So what do you rate my homeboy? What's funny?
What is that?
What you rate him?
What?
What you rate him?
From 1 to 10?
Yeah.
Come back in the camera. Come back. Come back in the camera. I'll give you like an 8.5.
8.5? Alright, so what do you rate me?
I would give you like a 9.
9.9? So you might as well go ahead and just say a 10. Hey, but add me on the Snap. I'm gonna see you the link to this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe when it posts this. Alright, so first girl.
Fuck.
Steve took a 9. Oh no, Steve took an 8. Trying to boost him, and I took a 9. I would say a 10, but you know, I'm not gonna cheat the game like that. So a 9 and an 8, so same page. On to the next one.
But we're going to 5, right?
Yeah. We're gonna take an average out of the 5 girls we asked. If we don't keep getting slow played, we might take more, but the goal or the baseline right now is just 5.
See, that part is good with him right here.
We keep getting all these dudes. Something wrong with his server. I don't know what he be on.
Quit trying
Hey,
to play
man.
me. Quit trying to play me.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
Hey, ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. So right now, I'm making a YouTube video called Rate Me 1 through 10 with my homeboy. So we take an average of all the girls we asked, and whoever has the lowest average faces punishment at the end of this video. So what do you rate my homeboy?
Oh, 1.
Are you being for real?
Yeah.
No, I need like an honest answer.
A 1.
Alright, so what do you rate me?
A 2.
Really,
That's
nigga?
legit. Hey, add me on the Snap. I like your response. And we'll keep in touch. Okay.
What the fuck?
That's foul.
Yeah,
Because I like thugs.
it's because you
Like
like
what?
I like thugs.
Next.
Next. Pass. No good. Alright. Hey man, she said she like thugs, so we about twos and ones, which makes no sense, but I'ma still take that down because
Yeah, cause I'm not a thug.
yeah, I'm not a thug. We not a thug. We don't do that, you know. On to the next. She getting passed up quick. So because I like thugs. Gotta give it to her.
Yeah, that's funny.
Kind of have a bad start, but you know, it's gonna get better as we pick up, you know. I'm still on that she said she like thugs. Like, what?
That don't make sense.
She trying to get played. Sounds legit. Hey, hopefully it only gets better or it only gets worse. We want to know to the end of the video. I don't know if people don't want to be on Monkey app right now but it needs to speed up because we're not getting anybody. And while we waiting to get somebody to rate us, so go ahead, if you got this far in the video, like, comment, subscribe. I know it hasn't been much yet, but all those still help me. And yeah, we just gonna keep playing the waiting game while try to get a different girl.
Also, at the end of the video, comment who y'all got.
Yeah, do that. Hey, make sure y'all follow me on the social media. My Twitter is RealJSloan. Snapchat, ModelJ99. His Twitter is... I think it's...
My Twitter weird. It's KNIGPRINCE.
Yeah. Make sure y'all follow us on Twitter. Add me on Snap. So, I'm gonna get back to y'all when we get another girl. So, be right back. We're just looking like the stats pretty close. I don't know if y'all can see, but I got a 9, 2, 6, 8.5. Steve got an 8, 1, 9, and an 8. So, it's pretty average. But we got a couple more to like really balance it out and she's gonna face the punishment. I'm telling you, this punishment ain't no joke. Hey man, hey man, hey what's up?
No.
Hey, where you from? Ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question.
What?
Ask some time. I gotta ask you a question. Alright, so right now I'm making a YouTube video called Rate Me 1 through 10 with my homeboy. So we take an average of all the girls we ask, and whoever has the lowest average faces a punishment. So what do you rate my homeboy?
Like 1 through 10?
Yeah, 10 being the highest.
Probably like a 6.
A 6?
Oh.
Alright, so what do you rate me?
6.
Don't we look like brothers?
Do we look alike? Yeah, we get that a lot. We not though. Hey, but appreciate your response. Add me on the Snap. I'm gonna send you the link to my channel. Make sure you go and subscribe.
Okay.
Alright, appreciate it. Say man.
Hey, do y'all think we look alike?
Yeah, like
Or-
we really get that a lot.
Why-
We-
like, why everybody say that?
Yeah, we don't look alike. Like he has dreads, I have curls.
Not a matchup.
But anyways, we got double sixes. Not that serious, nothing personal. So on to the next girl. Hopefully we get a couple 10s. You know, we gotta get the 10s up there and not these low 1s and 2s. You know, we deserve 10, but they saying we look like 6s or 5s. So hey, what I'm here to say.
Hey.
We'll try.
Hey, what's up? Ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question.
What?
Ask some time. Why take you so long to ask some time?
You can see my hat.
Well, anyways, right now I'm making a YouTube video called Rate Me 1 through 10 with me and my homeboy. So we taking an average of all the girls we asked, and whoever has the lowest average faces punishment at the end of the video. So what do you rate my homeboy?
Out of 10?
Yeah. Give your honest answer.
10 is the best.
Yeah, 10
10
is the best. Yeah, 10 is the best. Yeah, one's like, you know, you don't look cute. But
I'd say 5, 6, 7.
Hello.
so you give him a 6. All right, so what do you rate me?
Oh shit.
What do you rate me?
8, 9.
8, 9. So wait, hold up. We gotta solve this. So is it 8 or is it a 9?
8.5.
8.5 and a 7. That's pretty legit. I mean, it's about balance.
Yeah, fuck this
0.5.
game.
What's up?
What's up?
Where you from?
Chicago.
Hey, ask some time real quick. I gotta ask you a question. So right now I'm making a YouTube video called "Rate Me 1 through 10" with my homeboy, and whoever has the lowest average at the end of the video faces punishment. So what do you rate my homeboy on a scale of 1 through 10?
What you say? Say it again.
What do you rate him on a scale of 1 through 10? So what do you rate him? What do you rate him on a scale of 1 through 10?
What you say?
What? I can't even hear you.
Which one?
Him.
Who look better? Him or him?
No, that's not what I asked. I said rate him 1 through 10. So what do you rate him on a scale of 1 through 10?
No, he look better. The one with the blue look better.
No, the one with the white. What do you rate the one with the white?
He a 10 to me, but everybody else said that like, what do you rate him? Who? Him, the one with the white. Yeah. What he say? I like the blue. The blue got like an 8.5. You like a 7. You want an 8? He's better.
That's
He a 7, but I say he a 10. No, hell no, Mr. White.
Appreciate you.
Wait, what? Wait, so who a 10? Him and the white, the one.
The one in the white, no, the one in the white shirt. The one in the white shirt look better. He like a 10, and you would be like an 8.
All right, that's legit. Appreciate the response. Hey, add me on the Snap. I'm gonna send you a link. To my channel. Make sure you go subscribe.
Alright, bet.
Man, it was about 30 people
I
up in
know,
there.
like, why they gotta be so complicated? Like, we.
Oh my god.
Not even that serious. Making life all hard. They got a whole house party going on. We just asked for straight 1 through 10. We didn't ask for all him and him. That. Yeah.
How many more we got?
We got 2 more. Let's see
Gonna be
how
long.
this play out. I don't know. But from right now, we got a good couple and it's neck and neck. So we gotta finish this. No tiebreakers. Hey, what's up? Hey, where y'all from? Hey, at some time I gotta ask y'all a question real quick. Alright, so right now I'm making a YouTube video called Rate Me 1 through 10. So we take an average of all the girls we ask. Anyways,
Really, nigga?
so we take an average of all the girls we ask, and whoever has the lowest average at the end of the day faces punishment. So what do you rate my homeboy on a scale of 1 through 10? What do you rate him on a scale of 1 through 10? Rate him on a scale of 1 through 10.
10.
A 10? Alright, so what do you rate me?
Y'all doing the YouTube?
So yeah, but what do you rate me?
10.
A 10? So we both got a 10.
Yeah, we said 10.
Alright.
What's y'all YouTube?
Alright, add me on the Snap. I'm gonna send you the link. And make sure you go like, comment, subscribe. I had a previous video. Make sure you check that out. And peace out. Thanks for your response. So, 2 10s. Hey, man. It's gonna be a close competition, man.
Yeah, here we go, the last one.
Last one. The best one. You gotta make sure you get somebody that's gonna knock cat. Hey, we're on the last one. Let's see what's gonna be. Come on, let's not get capped out. Hey, what's up? Hey, ask some time. I gotta ask you a question real quick.
Okay.
So I'm making a YouTube video right now called Rate Me 1 through 10 with my homeboy. So we taking an average of all the girls we asked, and whoever has the lowest average faces punishment at the end of the video. So what do you rate my homeboy?
8.
An 8. So what do you rate me?
A 9.
A 9? What's funny? What's funny?
No, it's alright. My friend, it's alright.
Oh, okay. Well, anyways, add me on the Snap. I'm gonna send you the link to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you later.
Alright.
Say, man. Video's over. Well, all the girls we tallied up is over. So now we about to get an average of all the girls we asked. So once we figure out the average, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Alright, so we back with the stat. And say, I don't know. So we took 5 of the girls we asked. There's all legit. There wasn't no differentials in like negativity or like one's higher than the other between me and him. So we came back with averages. The average for Steve was a 7, and the average for me was a 7. So you know what that means? Yeah, we both doing a punishment. So stick around, tune in. Alright, so we back with the punishments. You know, we both took an L. Well, I wouldn't really say an L, but it was a tiebreaker. We couldn't figure out what to do with the tiebreaker, so we both gonna do the punishment. So here's what we got for the punishment. First off, it's liquid punishment. So this one real quick. So the first thing we got, some of that Moscato right there. We just about to put a little bit in here, and there's nothing serious. For both of them.
I don't even drink.
Alright, then next, we got some lemonade. Y'all probably like, oh, this is weak, but it's about a 10 sub, trust me.
I bet lemonade has gotta go hard. I don't know.
The next, we got that honey. Last but not least, we got that hot sauce. Hey, you feel me? We couldn't do it too bad because, you know, we ain't trying to die here. We probably already gonna throw up. So, yeah, we got these mixed drinks, you know what I'm saying?
This nigga hot sauce all over my hand.
Yeah, my bad. So, we about to shake this up. We both took that punishment, so we both got to take the L. So on the count of 10, we about to just drink it, like.
Well, you
Is
gonna
that-
drink? You wanna drink this whole cup?
All right, we gotta gulp it down, bro. We just gotta, like.
Gulp it down?
Yes, we gotta gulp it down, bro. That's part of the L we took. All right, so on 10, counting down from 10 is when we gonna do it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sit.
One of the band can't change me. I'ma still be the same.
Oh,
I let my own mama fucking hang me. Write it in the books, I'm a crook, tell by the look. Got these niggas shook, I'm a vet and you steady rook. Posted on the scene, sipping lean, that bro methazine, sipping on codeine. Play with Jesus before you play with me. All black T-top, see my